As we proceed, I will try to convince you about some fundamental assumptions and see if I can get you to agree that we can hold these principles to be like axioms, like things that we take for granted. So, number one, physical activity has been an integral part of the human environment of evolutionary adaptedness. I will explain that in a second, and is essential to human survival. Can we agree that movement, bodily movement, physical activity, was a very important part of human evolution? If humans did not have to deal with physical activity, they would not look the way they do today. Our anatomy and our physiology was shaped in a fundamental way by the fact that we absolutely had to be very physically active as a species to survive. Can we agree on that? So, if we can agree on that, let's see if we can agree on those two additional points as well. When humans are physically active, they have two very important considerations. Number one, they must be physically active to survive. In a hunter and gatherer environment, there are no drive-throughs. So unless you are on your feet and capable of moving for extended periods of time, you would starve to death, quite simply, right? So you had to be active to survive. And perhaps a little more controversial, you had to be able to survive while being active. So can exercise or physical activity kill you? Could exercise or physical activity under certain conditions pose a threat to your survival?